Assalamu alaikum. My dear student, how are you? I hope you are well and safe by the grace of Allah, and I am also well. Most welcome to our online class. Today I will take your English first paper class. So be ready all of you. Today I will try to understand one passage from your first paper. Here I have written, open out your book, and I have written Unit 5, Lesson 1, The Grade of the Mighty Rivers. This passage I will try to understand for you. Okay, all of you? Can you see? One picture has given. Here we can see a woman sitting. A woman polythene roofed shelter looks like a cage. Maybe it can be very painful. After reading, already I have known all after reading. So let's go start this passage I am reading now. Just follow me carefully. Meherjan lives in a slum on the Sirajganj town protection embankment. Her polythene roof shelter looks like a cage. She is nearly 45 but looks more than her age. In front of her shelter, she is trying to make a fire to cook the day's only meal. Her weak hands tremble as she adds some fallen leaves and straw to the fire. The whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. The dancing flames remind Meherjan of the turmoil in her life. So we can see here a woman whose name Meherjan. She lives in a slum on the Sirajganj town protection embankment. She is nearly 45 but looks like a then her age. She is only one alone. She had no one. For this, she is trying to make a fire to cook day's only meal. Okay? But the whisper wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. The dancing flames remind Meherjan of the turmoil in her life. Maybe you can understand. Okay, let's go next para. Not long ago, Meherjan had everything: a family, cultivable land, and cattle. The erosion of the Jamuna gradually consumed all her landed property. It finally claimed her only shelter during the last monsoon. It took the river only a day to devour Meher's house, trees, vegetable garden, and the bamboo brush. She had happy family once. Over the years, she lost her husband and her family to disease and cruel hunger and poverty brought to the family. Now she is the only one left to live on with the loss and the pain. The greedy Jamuna has shattered her dreams and happiness. So we can see here, once set upon Meherjan had everything: a family, cultivable, and the cattle. But everywhere. So during this people over the years, she lost her family, husband and her family, disease, that cruel hunger and poverty brought to the family. For this, she is only one left to live. Really, it is very painful and can't imagine. It is sorrowful also. This greedy Jamuna has shattered her dreams and happiness. Okay, let's go next para. There are thousands others waiting to share the same fate like Meherjan. Bangladesh is a land of rivers, some of the whose bank overflow or erode during monsoon. During erosion is a harsh reality for the people living along the river bank. During each monsoon, many more villages are threatened by the mighty rivers like the Jamuna, the Podda, and Meghna. It is estimated the river erosion makes at least 100,000 people homeless every year in Bangladesh. In fact, river erosion is one of the main dangers caused by the climate change. If we can't take prompt action to adapt to climate change, there will be thousands of people, Meherjans, in our towns and the villages every year. So we can see here, like Meherjan, thousand others are waiting to share the same fate. But every year, erosion is a harsh reality for the people living along the river bank. For this, most of the people homeless every year in Bangladesh. Maybe river erosion is one of the main dangers caused by the climate change. Maybe you can understand Again you read properly this passage properly. Now I would like to tell about word meaning. Just hard word find out and Bangla meaning also. Here I have found this word meaning. Here I have written word meaning. Some word meaning has given impact. Bangla means bad. Tremble, kapa. Turmoil, that Bangla means brishinkhola. Estimated, that Bangla means অনুমান করা. Promote, that Bangla means প্রস্তুত. So all of you like this, you must find out this from this passage and word meaning find out. And next we'll go now. Next, turn your page. 57 page. Here you can see here some MCQ has given. You must solve this question. B number MCQ question has given. You must solve this question at your home. And C number has given WS question answer. A number, what does Meherjan use to make fire for cooking her meals? B number, what property did Meherjan lose due to river erosion? C number, what do you know about Meherjan's family? D number, in which season in river erosion most likely to occur? E number, why is the phrase Grady Jamuna used to describe the river? What grade do you notice in the description? Okay, you must solve this question at your home. Okay, next go turn your page. Next I has given some fill in the blanks also has given. So it's must complete and must solve this question at your home. Here has given some word in the box and you can help this question, solve this question from the word. Okay students, all of you, after this for you, no more today. You are well and safe. See you again next class. Allah Hafiz.